Welcome to Review Rumble. The best silicone kit is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any DIY enthusiast or professional looking to tackle a variety of sealing, bonding, and repair tasks with precision and durability. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, having the right silicone kit can make all the difference in achieving professional-looking results, from sealing leaky faucets and windows to creating custom gaskets and repairing household items. This comprehensive kit is designed to provide everything you need for a seamless experience, ensuring you can handle any project with confidence and efficiency. Number 5. Luna Bean Hand Casting Kit for Couples. Introducing the Luna Bean Hand Casting Kit, the perfect all-in-one solution for couples to create a meaningful keepsake. It's an easy and fun activity that helps you make lasting memories together. This kit includes everything you need to create a beautiful hand sculpture. With clear instructions, you can easily follow along and focus on the moment, creating a treasure you'll both cherish. Looking for a unique gift? This DIY hand casting kit captures the special bond between you and your partner. It's a heartfelt way to celebrate anniversaries, engagements, weddings, or just because. Our premium alginate mix captures every detail, ensuring an ultra-precise casting. Even if you're new to crafting, our simple instructions and video tutorial make it easy to create a professional-looking keepsake at home. Forget generic gifts. This kit transforms a fleeting moment into a lasting work of art. It's perfect for creating wedding day casts, engagement keepsakes, or family hand sculptures for any milestone worth remembering. Turn your love story into a work of art with this romantic, one-of-a-kind gift. It's a beautiful reminder of the special moment you created it together, perfect for anniversaries, date nights, or any occasion. What we like. This kit offers incredibly detailed casts, capturing every fine line and fingerprint. It's designed for ease of use, making it perfect for anyone wanting to create a lasting keepsake. If you're looking for a unique and romantic gift for an anniversary, wedding, or just to celebrate your bond, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The silicone kit is a game-changer for organizing my craft supplies. The different sized compartments are perfect for keeping everything neat and accessible. I love how durable and easy to clean the silicone material is. It withstands frequent use without showing any wear and tear, and spills wipe away effortlessly. The modular design allows for flexible arrangement, fitting perfectly into my limited workspace. I can reconfigure it as needed, which is a huge plus. Number 4. SAVILAND French Tip Tool Silicone Nail Stamper. Achieve salon-perfect French tips at home with our innovative silicone nail stamper. Its unique design makes creating clean lines simple and fast. This set includes both long and short silicone heads, offering versatility for different nail lengths and styles. Get the perfect French tip every time. Everything you need for a flawless French manicure is included. The stamper and scrapers work together seamlessly for a professional finish. Say goodbye to messy freehand attempts. Our tool streamlines the process, allowing you to create beautiful French nails in minutes. Enjoy the convenience of DIY nail art without compromising on quality. These tools are perfect for both home users and salon professionals. The high-quality silicone heads are durable and easy to clean, ensuring long-lasting performance. Get consistent, crisp results with every use. What we like. Achieve perfect French tips quickly and easily with this specialized tool. It's designed for effortless home DIY, giving you salon-quality results without the hassle. If you love the look of French manicures and want a simple, effective way to achieve them yourself, this tool is a must-have. What people say. The silicone kit is easy to use and clean. It is made of high-quality silicone that is durable and long-lasting. The kit includes a variety of tools that are perfect for different tasks. Number 3. Let's Resin Silicone Mold Making Kit 20 ounces. Experience the difference with our premium silicone. It's safe, non-toxic, flexible, soft, and crystal clear, allowing you to create vibrant colors by mixing in mica powder. Getting started is simple. Just mix equal parts of A and B, stir thoroughly for 5 minutes, and you're ready to pour. You'll have 30 minutes of working time at room temperature. Say goodbye to bubbles. Our silicone self-degasses, with air automatically disappearing within 2 hours. This ensures a smooth, flawless finish without the need for special equipment. New to mold making. This kit is designed for you. No special skills or tools are required, making it a fun and accessible creative activity for everyone. Achieve a 15A hardness in just 4 hours. The finished molds are flexible, elastic, and resistant to tearing, capturing intricate details beautifully and releasing with ease. Unleash your creativity. It's perfect for DIY resin, wax, candle, and soap molds. Create unique items for art crafts and casting projects. What we like. This silicone mold making kit is designed for bubble-free results and a fast cure time, making the process efficient and enjoyable. It's incredibly beginner-friendly, requiring no special skills to get started. If you're new to mold making and want a clear, flexible, and easy-to-use material for your DIY resin, wax, or candle projects, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The silicone is easy to clean and doesn't stain. It's very durable and has held up well to frequent use. The kit includes a variety of sizes, making it versatile for different tasks. Number 2. Smokitcen Enema Kit 2L. Introducing the Smokitcen Enema Kit, designed for your comfort and convenience. This kit provides a reliable solution for your cleansing needs. It features a large 2-liter capacity bag, ensuring you have ample fluid for a thorough cleanse. This generous size allows for a more effective experience. The kit includes a 5-foot-long silicone hose, offering flexibility and ease of use. Its length provides comfortable positioning during your session. You'll find 5 reusable tips in various sizes, catering to your specific requirements. These tips are designed for repeated use and easy cleaning. Experience controlled water flow for a safe and comfortable experience. This feature allows you to manage the process effectively. This product is ideal for colon detox and cleansing routines. It offers a gentle yet effective way to support your body's natural processes. What we like. This enema kit features a large 2L capacity bag for extended use and a controlled water flow for comfort and effectiveness. It comes with multiple reusable tips for versatility. If you are looking for a reliable and user-friendly kit for colon cleansing or detox, this product offers convenience and control. What people say. The silicone kit is very easy to use and clean. It is made of high-quality silicone that is durable and long-lasting. The kit includes a variety of tools that are perfect for different tasks. Number 1. Let's Resin Silicone Molds Making Kit 30A. Discover our premium silicone rubber, designed for creating durable and flexible molds. It's non-toxic, odorless, and has a hardness of 30A, ensuring high-quality results. This kit features a simple 1-to-1 mixing ratio by weight for both parts. Just combine part A and part B, then stir for 3 to 5 minutes for a perfectly blended mixture. Worried about bubbles? Our liquid silicone mixture self-degasses within 2 hours, eliminating the need for special equipment. Enjoy a 5-minute working time and a full cure in 8 to 12 hours. New to mold making. This kit is your ideal starting point. No special skills or tools are required, making it easy to dive into creative projects. Unleash your creativity by making your own resin, wax, or candle molds. It's perfect for various art crafts and DIY casting projects, but please note it's not for food molds. Spills are no problem. Simply clean up any messes with soapy water or rubbing alcohol for a hassle-free experience. What we like. This platinum-cured silicone offers a durable 30A hardness and a vibrant blue color, perfect for creating resilient molds. With a generous working time, it allows for detailed work without rushing. If you're an experienced crafter or a beginner looking to make high-quality resin, wax, or soap molds with excellent flexibility and tear resistance, this kit is an ideal choice. What people say. This kit is a great value for the price. The silicone material is very durable and easy to clean. The kit includes all the necessary tools for a complete project. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.